In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Android games on your PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then look up BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an app that we could use in our PC in order to run Android games, and it is essentially a free-to-use Android emulator. Just make sure you go ahead and select it on the official BlueStacks.com website. It should be the first link whenever you do search it up, and then it will bring you to a page that looks something like this. All you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on this blue button that says download BlueStacks. So go ahead and just press on it like so, and then your file should be installed to your desktop. Now, depending on your browser, it might appear over here in the top right, or it might appear here in the bottom. But alternatively, what you can also do is you can open up your file explorer and then just go to your download section, and then it should be right over there. But the point is, you want to go ahead and just run the .exe file. So we just go ahead and press on it like so, and then it is going to actually ask you if you want this app to make changes to your device. So go ahead and just press on yes. Unfortunately, you cannot see my screen for that part of the process, but it should work. Okay, now that you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to press on this blue button that says install now. Then make sure you go ahead and press I agree. And from here, it'll begin to download BlueStacks. Alright guys, and then eventually you should get a pop-up that looks like this. So all you want to do is go ahead and press on next again, and then press next one more time, and then done. And once you're done with that, then you guys can go ahead and install whatever game you would like to download. There's a ton of different games over here, so all you gotta do is just select one, download one, and then have fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.